I have usually not done the turkeys for my family on Thanksgiving. It's always my wife, but this year, if we can make this work, I might be the hero.
We're gonna do one smoked on a rotisserie, one spatchcock smoked, and one just straight up fried. It's gonna be amazing, super excited.
And we're gonna see which one is the best.
You are gonna be the hero.
Thank you. Let's go do it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Basement.
So we've got 3 birds here, as we said. They've been brining now for just about 10 hours. They're small birds, they're 10 pounds each. We're going for small. They tend to taste better, they're young, they're juicier.
Strange.
Because we're cooking 3, we don't want to do 3 giant turkeys. That would be a little much. The brine recipe, by the way, will be in the video description if you want to know how we brined it, using brining salt, brown sugar, but look in the show description to see that. So we're gonna go ahead and empty these out, rinse off the turkeys, and then season them and get them ready. Shall we?
Let's do it, yeah.
All right. We're gonna name them Larry, Moe, and Curly.
We gotta name them something so then we can do like, you know, this is rotisserie, this is...
So this one's gonna be rotisserie, so we'll name
Larry's
this one Larry.
rotisserie, yeah. Grab Larry by the... Careful, Larry.
What are you doing?
Sorry, I gotta update my dad, he's all excited.
Now we dry it off, patting it dry. Here, grab some paper towel.
Let me get some black gloves, son.
Now we need to season. So first, let's spray some vegetable oil, make it stick. A light coat of Slap Yo Mama Cajun seasoning.
From Louisiana.
It is quite strong, super delicious, but you don't want to do too much.
So this is medium slap scale.
Yeah, it's
I didn't realize they had different...
It's a little spicy.
Medium slap! Get up in it.
Yep.
All right, Larry. Mm-hmm. Oh, up under the armpit. Mm-hmm.
All right, now rub some chicken to go on top of that.
Poultry seasoning, rub some chicken from Barbecue Spot.
Let's get
let me get the
stuff ready to inject. All right, so we're gonna create the injection fluid, which is gonna be super tasty, hopefully. Honestly, I've never injected before.
Me neither.
Even my briskets and stuff, I've never felt the need to, but we've all had that experience in the past with dry turkeys for Thanksgiving dinner, right?
Yeah.
Every once in a while it comes out like that. We want to avoid that, so we're gonna give this a shot. Shouldn't be too difficult.
Melted butter and chicken stock.
It's butter, chicken stock, 2.5, 3 cups worth, and then some seasoning. The same, rub some chicken, about 3 tablespoons worth, and we're just gonna simmer that. And once that melts down into a liquid, we'll do the injecting.
All right.
See you in a bit. The injection is ready, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. Bob, take it away.
Okay, I've never done this, just so you know. So I'm just trying to get under the skin, not too deep into the meats.
You do want to get in the meat, but just not too deep. There you go, see?
Oh, yeah,
Once you see it pumping up. Wait, which one is this? This is Larry?
This is Larry, yeah. Larry's gonna be rotisserie.
Larry is rotisserie.
Yes, Larry is swelling.
Now once in each leg, and that should be it. We won't bother with the wings.
Yeah.
There's not really a lot of room in those wings.
Stay still, Larry. Oh yeah, wow, it's crazy how it, I don't know why I'm salivating.
Because you're injecting meat with butter, that's why.
I guess so, yeah. Very interesting. Yeah, I don't know, I like this. I'm gonna start injecting my chicken wings.
All right, so since this one's going on the rotisserie, we've got to tie it up so it doesn't just flop all over the place and get stuck. We'll do one on that side to hold the wings and everything together.
Larry's being a good bird.
Good job, Larry. All right, so now we are going to stuff Larry with some stuff. Let's put a carrot in there. Put a piece of celery in there. What do you think?
Yeah, garlic clove.
Garlic.
Oh, it's a big cavity.
It is.
How are we gonna make sure stuff doesn't fall out of the cavity?
We're not.
Okay.
Rosemary,
This is thyme.
thyme.
Yeah, just try to jam it so it kind of stays in. Should we stick one piece of twine and try to keep that stuff in there?
Now we got to mount Larry.
Through this
Straight
hole
down. Yep.
here. You want to try to get down in between there?
Yeah, that works. Then as straight as possible.
There we go.
All right. That was a little difficult.
Yeah. The spike always is a little interesting.
There you go. There you go. Looking good. All right, this is the one that we're gonna spatchcock. Now, normally we would use kitchen shears, but wouldn't you know it, we can't find the kitchen shears. So we're gonna try this knife and we're gonna try not to cut my fingers off. So just gotta find the backbone, which is right here down the middle. Get as close to it as possible and make
Nice
that
sharp
cut.
knife.
Yeah, that is a nice sharp knife. Now we set her down. This is Mo, right?
This is Mo.
Give Mo a big push.
Yes, Mo.
Good job, Mo. Not the cleanest spatchcock. It would have been better if we had the kitchen shears, but
Spray him up.
yep.
Looking
Good to go?
Looking good.
All right, let's go get this guy on. Another good reason for the spatchcock is that it's gonna fit right underneath the bar. Good?
Yeah, looks good.
All right, and the last turkey is gonna go in the fryer, so we don't really need to do much prep other than seasoning.
This is curly.
Yep, this is curly. All right. So this is gonna take about 30 minutes. So we're gonna set this one in the fridge, let it continue to dry up a little bit, and we're gonna go get those started here pretty soon.
Let's do it.
So we just realized before we get this thing started that we forgot to inject the spatchcock turkey. That's what happens when you're doing 3 turkeys, but we're gonna rectify it right now.
Oh, that went right in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Damn.
Damn. Are you salivating yet?
Yeah.
We're ready to go, man. We're gonna start with 300 degrees and see how it's looking. And we will put the turkey in the fryer for the fried turkey about halfway through this cook.
How many people you have coming?
It's just the 3 of us, so 1 turkey each. So while the turkeys are going outside on the Weber Searwood, we've got a couple things going on. The inject that we use, we're gonna reheat that, we're gonna boil it. We're gonna use that to baste those turkeys that are on the Searwood once they start browning a little bit, which will be super nice. And we're going to now make a gravy. So we did pull the giblets. Is it giblets or giblets, Bob?
Gonna go with giblets.
Giblets.
I don't know.
We pulled the giblets and turkey necks and boiled them in water for about an hour. We don't have the option to catch the drippings from the turkey because we're not roasting them in the oven in a pan. So basically, I'm gonna take this broth that was created from the giblets and the turkey neck, and I'm just gonna use McCormick turkey gravy, which normally would just be mixed with water, but we're gonna mix it with that yummy turkey broth that was created.
I think that's a good idea.
And actually, let me grab a little whisk out of here.
The baby whisk.
Yeah, we're gonna use the baby whisk. Here, you sprinkle while I whisk. Some people will chop that up and put it in the gravy,
Yeah.
but I don't really like my gravy to have a bunch of lumpy
You don't?
liver in it. Do you?
I don't know.
And this is gonna be super rich. If it's too rich, we'll just add water or even maybe chicken stock. All right, and we'll let that simmer. All right, so it's been about 40 minutes, starting to look pretty good. We're gonna get some more browning than this, but we're gonna go ahead and do a quick baste. I'm just gonna drizzle it on. I don't wanna wipe it on because I'll be wiping a lot of that seasoning off.
Man, the spatchcock's looking very good.
Yes, it is. It's better, looking better than the rotisserie, I must say, so far.
Oh yeah, but this is gonna take longer, we know that.
Yeah, this is gonna take longer for sure. And the juice is on the inside.
Yeah, I'm salivating again.
That smells good.
Yeah, it smells very good.
can't go wrong with butter.
So I turned the gravy down. Did I tell you that? I can't remember.
Oh yeah, I'm glad you did.
Yeah, it was like bubbling up. You know, it's a group effort. It takes a village to cook good turkeys.
We've got about 30 minutes left until at least one of those turkeys on the Searwood is ready. So this thing's gonna take about 30 minutes. So we're gonna get her mounted. This is Curly, right? Larry is rotisserie, Mo is spatchcock, and this is Curly.
Yeah,
all right, so we're gonna mount Curly.
Just stick it in the hole in the bottom there. And it's okay if it sits down, that's fine.
Oh, that was super easy.
We're gonna burn the grass, not your house.
Correct.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah.
All right, no overflow, it's good news.
This is perfect.
Yeah, stick that lid.
So after all that work, possibly the best one
Could be this.
and the easiest, the spatchcock is gonna be done in 10 minutes. I have a feeling that the rotisserie, because it's so tight,
longer, yeah.
it's gonna take
So what time is that at
longer.
now?
110. And the spatchcock was at like 140.
And we're going to one.
We're going to 160.
Yeah. So my body is expecting wings when I see this.
I know. And then what does your body do when it expects
It
wings?
salivates. Through all orifices.
The coyotes have been howling lately. I think Buster could take a couple coyotes, but I don't know about Lulu. So how long we been going?
16 minutes.
Ooh, 165. I mean, that's basically perfect temp right there.
Right. So hit up here real high, but don't go in too deep.
That's done. Looks beautiful.
Yeah, those look good.
We're gonna get started trying the fried turkey, which looks amazing. It finished quicker than we thought it would, but that's okay.
Smells amazing. So always check your temps, dude. So
Yeah,
we checked 60
definitely.
minutes in, and we went about 18 minutes.
We thought it would be 30 minutes, and that would have been way too done. That looks good. All right, let's hit it up.
Smells money.
It smells amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very good. Could not complain about that. I'm gonna tear this off.
Very tasty.
This may be the way. Explosion of flavor. It'll be interesting to see how rotisserie and spatchcock do against the classic fried turkey.
And with the brine, all the meat has flavor.
Yeah, good salt.
I gotta try just a piece without even the skin. That brine went all the way through.
How many hours did you do it for a 9.5 pound?
10 hours. 1 hour per pound. All right, I can't wait to compare it to the other two, man. Let's check the temperature on this guy. I think he's done. So we really want to pull 160 and above. So we're 170, 165. So it's time to pull. A couple things I want to point out as we pull this guy off. The spatchcock's been going about 1 hour and 50 minutes. The fried turkey took what? 18 minutes. The pellets that we used were a combination of wood and our favorite smoke and pecan pellets. The wood was a maple, cherry, and hickory mix. But let's get this guy off. This thing looks amazing. It smells amazing.
Smells so good.
I can't wait to try this.
So the one thing I'm missing from the fried is the smoke flavor.
Now we've got the smoke ring. This thing got a lot of smoke on it. Man, that is beautiful.
Where's
Cheers.
your gravy, man?
Yeah, right
Gotta
here.
hit it. Gotta hit it.
I gotta try it without the gravy first. Cheers.
Cheers. Man, I don't know which is better right now.
Man, that's good.
Mad flavor. So the one thing the grease takes away from I'm tasting slap your mama.
Yeah, big
medium
time.
slap.
Big time.
And we put a little bit on there.
Man, that's good. Look at all that
Yes.
redness from the smoke, dude.
It's very good.
Man, that got a
Yeah,
lot
I
of
don't know,
smoke,
yeah.
right?
I thought the fried would be better. I don't know yet.
It's gotta be something about the turkey or maybe poultry in general picks up more of the smoke flavor.
Is this more porous or what? I don't know.
I don't know, but man, that's good. I think overall so far I'm liking this one the best.
I didn't think I would say that, but me too.
I just want to
Give
pick
Donnie a taste.
I just want to pick up this leg and just chew on
Do it, man. Do it. It's Thanksgiving.
Take this, deep fry it real quick.
Actually, our oil's still hot if you want. Should we fry a leg, this and a leg?
Might as well.
Right, we gotta test everything. This is for the best Thanksgiving ever. So we're at 30 seconds?
I think 30 seconds, yeah.
Sounds like wings.
Smells amazing. Seasoned oil, can't go wrong with that. Looks amazing. Whoa, got animals in the background.
Sasquatch.
They're smelling this, they're like, they want some. Looks fantastic.
It sounds right.
Cheers. That's good.
Can't beat it. But I'll probably do a spatchcock and then take a little bit, fry it for the people who like that.
Yeah. We gotta go check out if that rotisserie's done. I think it's gonna be done. Definitely done. We're at 167 right through the breast. So it's time to take this guy off. Now this is gonna be a little bit more difficult.
So do you have hot hands or?
No, not that hot. There we go. All right, let's go in and check this guy out, shall we? Okay, so last turkey. This is obviously the rotisserie one. This was
golden goose, man.
Did you see that juice? Wow. Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, that's.
Take that. That's all you.
I'm gonna wait for you to hit it. Juice tastes amazing.
Extremely juicy. Cheers.
Man.
Really good. However, spatchcock is #1, in my opinion.
They're both so good, I don't know anymore.
There you go.
They got hit with some gravy. This is way juicier.
It is very juicy.
So this one took more of the stuff we stuffed in it.
Man, it's good, I will say. So for me, the spatchcock was the best so far, I must say. This is also very good. All three are really good. But man, the spatchcock is the easiest one.
It's shiny, yeah.
And
Shiny.
super tender and juicy.
Which I'm shocked about.
All right, conclusion?
I think, yeah, spatchcock.
Spatchcock.
Yeah, feed it to him.
Open.
No, let him feed you. I would say this is close to the spatchcock. How much longer did it go? 40 minutes?
40 more minutes. 40 or 50 more minutes.
What's crazy is the fried one's the least favorite.
Yeah, the fried one is the least
I would not have
favorite.
expected that.
Yeah, if all you have is a grill, a pellet grill or a charcoal grill or whatever, spatchcock the turkey, super good. Happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time.